is a tutorial for installing Codeigniter for in Windows 8. So first of all, we need to go to the website of Codeigniter. Installation. Let's try Composer installation using this command. So I assume you already know how to use Composer. If not, you can go to Composer, installation like this, and download the package and install it in Windows. So let's try to run it. So I'm using xampp, wherein you can also download it in their official website here. So right now I'm still using PHP 7. So once you've installed xampp, you will have a folder xampp. So mine is just xampp developer. Go to htdocs and then compose, use git bash, and then just paste the code, composer install, then use the project name that you want to use, CI for demo. So notice we will have a problem in coding in PHP 7 wherein it is requiring ext international. So you just have to enable that in composer. Composer. So here the answer to that problem is enable it in the php.ini extension for 5.6 and 7.0. So since I'm using xampp, we will have to edit that the config php.ini and then look for extensions at the end. There it is, and then just remove the, then maybe let's stop and start it again, then to continue our git bash. CI for them is not empty, so maybe let's just delete the content again first, then rerun it. So it should run smoothly the installation for CI for demo. Okay, so we've finished installation. Now we need to go to our host folder in Windows. So you can see it is located in my drive C, Windows System 32 drivers, etc. So I'm opening it in my notepad and then the host. So I'll just add that CI for demo here using the localhost IP configuration ci4-demo and save. Make sure you are in the administrator level to edit this. And then I'll go to my xampp apache conf extras virtual host to add our virtual host name for that project. So subtable htdocs. So let's find the folder ci for demo. Then we have to add the public folder for that. So notice CI for demo has public directory wherein the index.php is located. Okay, and then we'll just have to add the domain, local domain. Okay, then let's try to run this in our browser. Sorry for that. Oops. So this is not it, I think. Let's try to restart our xampp. There you go. So this is now the working development for CI4. So let's try to open this CI demo 4. Then manipulate it. Controllers home. So let's just add a method here. Let's name it test. Then echo hello. Home. Then test. So that's it, guys. That's how you install Codeigniter for in Windows 8 using xampp.